What's up everyone? So about a couple of weeks ago I did a Guinness and Bailey's cream roulade and I terribly failed in finishing it. Because it collapsed while I was rolling it and it was useless and you know I didn't bother doing any video or anything about it. So this week I'm going to try another roulade. I'm going to do a Tiramisu and Raspberry Roulade and I hope that one doesn't collapse. Okay, first of all I'm going to take flour, corn flour and baking powder and sieve it together. After the flour is sieved, we separate our eggs and scale out the sugar. Now we whip up the egg white for about a minute and then we gradually add the sugar. Alright, this is done now, nice and stiff. Good old trick again. If it doesn't come out, it's done. Right, then we're gonna add our egg yolk on very low speed, just until it's combined, maybe like 30 seconds or something. You can also do that by hand. When the egg yolk is mixed in, we're gonna add our flour very, very gentle, with the same whisk or with a spoon. Beautiful. Check it out. The only thing what's missing is now the coffee liqueur and the espresso. Perfect. Ready for the oven. Perfect. Now I'll let it cool down for about 5 minutes and then I will roll it into a towel. Right, my roulade is done. I've got it rolled into a very long sausage. Now I have to let it cool down for like about an hour. Then I'm going to whip up my cream, fill it and roll it.
1 hour later.
Next step is I'm going to take all the ingredients for the cream, put them into my bowl and whip them up. And now the only thing left to do is putting the cream onto the roulade. Right, so I've got some amaretto biscuits, they look like this, and also some raspberries, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over. And this is the best part. So this is it. This is the Tiramisu and Raspberry Roulade. You should definitely give this one a try. It's amazing. It's nice and soft and still moist and just delicious. Oh, amazing. So if you try this at home, let me know how you get on and see you next time. Thanks for watching.